G-Force.
What's up, Slay?
I need you to make a hit for me.
Talk to me.
It's 4 suspects.
Who?
Busta Rhymes. Lazy Bone.
Who else?
Twister. Jazzo.
I got you.
There they go. Take the shot. Take the shot.
When I come and I hop and I skip and I rhyme and I dumb and I hop and I spit and I shine, hey, nigga, what you really wanna do? You ain't know that I'm coming to take what's mine. Every time I come and hit you with a little bit of killer, but I know that you can never see a little nigga while I'm at the top. I'm at the top. That nigga pop. You will be on it and leave a nigga better. Don't know when I do my thing and I bang. With a boom, with a bomb, and a bang. Everybody know that when it comes to this shit, I got a space, motherfucker, better call me king. With a passion and I'm out of action, see the way you grab them. How you do it? Then when I ask him, my nigga smash him, see the way you have him. Drag him to it. Hey. Nigga gotta know what a nigga do all day. Can't brand, make a nigga run about fast when I drop heat in these streets, okay? You see with a good shit, get it? And I hope a lot of niggas live in their clinic. It don't really matter who you wanna ask about, man, cause I made the business with it. While I'm giving you the final chapter with a lot of laughter. See the way you capture everybody. I've been telling you this engine, you don't really wanna come after. Now I suggest you listen whenever you hear that it be a bit of building. Trust me, this is not the place for you to bring your children.
The PO and we got plenty of flaws. From Cleveland, Ohio, we rolling them balls. They told me this record was only for pros, so lazy gon' get it VP, I suppose. Balls, slamming them Cadillac calls. My story, they go to death with a dose. And while I tell it, it's not to be raised forever. I'm young and it never get old. Popping the bottle, rolling when I pose. Follow your armor, just follow your nose. We thug on the corner from back to the sun. If you run up, get down, if I let it explode. Low, on the real gangsters road. So, homie, we smash and ride when we crash collide. Whoever they wanna be foes, OG status, still got money up under the mattress. Nigga, come get it, I stick like actors. Money so tall, them niggas, they lied. Try to come close, but they never took matches. Catches. We the masters, y'all already know how we do it on the net. They never compare, we live on the scratches, willing to fetch. When I'm twisting bus, and come through with twisting bus. Niggas been famous, they know how to aim it. They spitting my language, they feeling the rush. The minute niggas have been up and fresh, back to the dust, we been in the clutch. Spit some real thug
now I ain't the code that's on the eye like country on the peninsula. Hit them with the venom and then with this in the great. I'm a cause I hate them. I'm high if you not check the temperature. Made it with they claim. I'm on them when they put me on a track animal. Show them who was I when I make them go and commit suicide just like a phantom. You in them close to get in them, I open the door cause I'm up with the flow. Never know how far my brothers live, but when I eat a bitch up and I for some more. So long as the power I'm living on, you can go check the portfolio. Can't say that it's something fuck out you and then never stick them, you know we can go. I'm cold, so roll with your cold. This be the season for niggas, the season is losing. And if you keep listening, you'll be catching the beat and losing. What's up? Look at the motor, look at the swag. Get looking all the vernacular. Things I be doing cause I'm Mr. Infinite, so the people let me regular. So me regular when I'm attacking, you're pulling up on them up in the new Acura. A new Panamera, a new Super Lego with the Pinot Grigio seats. I see what you niggas behave, so the next time when you see me, don't speak. Now you know not to send me no beat, cause I'm a killer to murder anybody that up in the get it. Get up in it cause I be the business, I'm a menace, I'm a way to the finish. Nigga enemy, the winners wanna get up in the battle, we finna gotta be on the block. 2010 hip-hop, the shit don't stop.
Just spit some real thug shit.
What can it be? Rappers are thugging on beats, none of them keeping it sweet. Look at them cows, all of them wanna be bulls, none of them ready for beef. What about me? Been through the pain, sorted the lanes, keep it the same. Skillful syllables kill, my rhyming technique is impeccable still. Anybody ever wanna run up with your gun up in the hurry, got a flurry, I'm a hunter for the couple with a bang, better learn, I'm gonna run it till you're permanent. I'm gonna spit it out, will live it, idiots getting it. The originator, gotta keep it gritty, keep it faded for the haters. Nigga real for real, the all-time thriller. Ready, rock to the definite, on the cooking, the chefing it. Taking over the world, I'm getting on with your girl, motherfucker, recognize what you having it, doing what you never did. The double time, triple time, president, ain't nobody better in the resident. Screaming the crowd, can't be stopped, over the top, bringing the soul, making it pop. Got an old school thing, make it through the wop. Got a Louisville slugger, make a ditty bop, ever incredible. Gotta keep you way ahead of you. Streaming them niggas in the plane going federal. No trip, no travesty. I call a lick, now I'm up like anti-gravity. Spit words from the brain like charity. If it pop was raw, she marry me. Gotta keep it better, gotta get the bread, gotta get the butter, make it hot. Just hold for the month.
Just spit some real thug shit.